Learning to see. A baby is born with eyes that are already 65% the size of an adult's, but they aren't very sensitive to light and are restricted to seeing just shades of grey. Just a week later, babies will start to recognize red, orange, yellow, and green. By the time they're 5 months old, they can recognize all the colors of the rainbow, including blue. Babies cannot focus on objects and see them clearly until they're around 2 months old. However, research shows that they still prefer their mother's face to a stranger's even before that age. By 6 months old, babies can control their eye muscles more easily, picking up and moving objects, and they perceive depth and texture better. However, it's not until they're 2 years old that their vision is the same as an adult's. Unfortunately, not everyone has the sense of sight. People with vision problems have to learn new ways to see. Louis Braille, a blind Frenchman, developed the Braille system for reading and writing in 1825. It was based on a system that was developed to help Napoleon's soldiers communicate in the dark. Each Braille cell has 6 dots, some of which are higher than the others. You read the cells by touching the dots. Each cell represents a letter, number, or punctuation mark. Some cells also represent common words or sounds. But while many sighted people think that all blind people read and write in Braille, it's a myth. The truth is that just a very small number do. With the development of new technologies, many blind people use screen reader programs, which turn text on their computer screens to speech they can hear. This gives them access to more written information than they had before. They can now read new information at the same time as everyone else. Getting around can be difficult for blind people who have traditionally relied on a stick to locate objects in front of them and move around them. But some have learned an interesting technique from nature called echolocation. The echo of a sound they make can signal where an object is and how big it is. This allows blind people to see in the same way that bats and dolphins do.